Hello all, welcome to B4. I'm Kamal. So we are going to continue with reminders in number series. In last video, we discussed about how to solve questions based on reminders using theorems. Now we are going to solve the questions in this video. Let's start our video. Let's begin our video. Okay. Let's read the question. Find the reminders when 5 power 2016 is divided by 7, which means basically what we have to do means, so we are going to have a number 5, just raise it to power 216. We divide this number by 7, what will be my remainder? This is the question now. So first thing to solve this question is, if highest common factor of 5 and 7 is 1 means, yeah, it is 1. I can say these two numbers are co-prime. If these two numbers are co-prime means, then I can solve the question by using Euler theorem. Since my divisor is also a small number, I can directly solve the question. There is no need to split. And split is possible only when it is a composite number. So, and also, in order to apply Euler theorem, it should be like, I also find the Euler-Torsion number of the divisor. It is 7. So, Euler-Torsion number of 7, which is nothing but 7 minus 1, which is 6. If it is a prime number, it is p minus 1. Okay, if it is a composite number, based on number of prime bases, we have to find the Euler-Torsion number, which we discussed in composite number. So, then what we are going to do means, so 5 power 7, we have to find the remainder, and 2016 divided by Euler-Torsion number of 7 is 6. So, we have to find the remainder. So, the thing is 5 by 7. What will be my remainder? My remainder will be 5 because since 5 is less than 7, and then we are going to find 2016 whole power 6. So we know 6 threes are 18. So the difference is 2. 2 will come here. Again 1 will be here. It will become 21. Again 6 threes are 18. So 21 minus 18 is 3. Again the 6 will come here. It will become 36. So 36 is the 6 times of 6, which is 36. The difference is 0. So from this what we can say is, eventually this number will become 5 power 7 divided by 7, and this is equal to 5 power 0 is 1, so 1 by 7, my remainder is 1. So answer for this question is 1. I hope you understand this question. Let us move to next question now. So we have to find the remainder. 45 power 99, so 95 is divided by 11. So the thing is, we are going to have 45 power 95, if I divide this number by 11, what will be my remainder? So I can say 45 and 11 are co-prime because the highest common factor of 45 and 11, it is 1. So in this case, if the highest common factor is 1 means these two is nothing but co-prime. So 45 by 11, I have to divide by to find the remainder, and 95. So divide by Euler-Torsion number of 11, which is 10. So what we cancel. Euler-Torsion number of 11 is nothing but 11 minus 1 is 10. So divide by 10 to find my remainder. Okay. So we'll find it separately. So 45 by 11. What will be my remainder? The highest multiple of 11, which is less than 45, is 1. So 45 minus 44, which is 1. So my remainder is 4. Once, when this remainder is 1, it will become 1 by 11. It doesn't matter what will may remain in the power. At anything, it is definitely going to be. So I will find 95 by 10. My remainder is, so highest multiple of 11, which is less than 95 is 90. So 95 minus 98 is equal to 5. So difference between these 5. So it will become 1 power 5. So it doesn't matter power of 1. It's always going to be 1. So my remainder is 1. Okay. I hope you understand this question also. Let us move to the next question now. So find the remainder when 18 power 2015 is divided by 11. So again, it's going to be Euler number because the device is 11 and 11, 18, the highest are co-prime. So 18 power 2015, if I divide by 11, how to find my remainder? So from this what we can say, 18 by 11 whole power 2015 by 10 to find my remainder. So 2015 by 10. My remainder is 5 because the highest multiple of 10, which is less than 2015, is 2010. So 2015 minus 2010, which is equal to 5. And again, 18 by 11. My remainder is going to be what? The highest multiple of 11, which is less than 18, is 11. So 18 minus 11 is 7. So my remainder is going to be 7. Eventually, this number will become 7 power. So the power it is 5 by 11 to find my remainder. So instead of writing it as 7 power 5, I can split this as multiple 7 square into 7 square into 7 for my easy calculation. So eventually it will become 49 into 49 into 7 divided by 7 to find my remainder. So if numbers are in multiplication, instead of these numbers 49, I can replace with their remainders by dividing 7. So just do that. So 49 by 7. Sorry, in my divisor it is 11, right? So my remainder is nothing but, so highest multiple of 11, which is less than 49, is 44. So 49 minus 44, which is 5. So my remainder is 5. Instead of 45, I'm going to replace with this remainders, which is nothing but 5. So, equal to 5 into 5 into 7 by 11 to find my remainder is equal to 5 5s are 25. 25 into 7 by 11 to find my remainder. So again we will find the 25. 25 by 11. My remainder is going to be 3 because highest multiple of 11, which is less than 25, is 22. So my remainder is going to be 3. So instead of 25, replace it as 3. So 3 into 7, which is 21. 21 by 11. What will be my remainder? Which is going to be 10 because the highest multiple of 11, which is less than 21, is 10. So 21 minus 11, which is equal to 10. That's my final answer. So we have to perform this until I will get remainder which is less than 11. It doesn't matter. There is no need to do only once. No, we have to do this multiple times until I will get my remainder which is less than 11. I hope you understand this question. Let us move to next question. You can clearly see that first this is my first step, which I reduce. Again, this is my second step where I converted 7 power 5 as 7 square into 7 square into 7. You can convert it as 7 square into 7 cube also. It's based on your way of solving question. If I can convert 7 cube into 7 square, it will become 343 into 49. I can perform 343 by using divisibility rule for 11, which is nothing but from right mouse I'm going to add alternative, it will become 3 plus 3 minus 4, which is 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Instead of this thing, I can replace it as uh, 2 again. 49 by 11, my remainder is going to be 5. 3 5s are 10. So 10 by 11, my remainder is 10. This is the one way of solving this question also. You can do, it's up to how you approach this question. There is no in rule as such you have to follow. Split that as 7 square into 7 square into 7. I'm just doing this because for better understanding. So you can perform like this also. That's another option where you can do this. Now let us move to next question now. 24 power 199. So the same thing. Uh, the question is going to 24 power 199 divided by 13. What will be my remainder? So first thing is, I can see 24 and 13 are co-prime to each other because that and 13 is also a prime number. So eventually it will become 24 power 13 remainder and 199 by 13. Find my remainder. So 24 by 13, my remainder is going to be. So I, what is the highest multiple of 13 which is less than 24 is going to be, which is 11 or minus 2. So we can replace with positive reminders with negative reminders also. There is no any rule such you have to always use positive reminders. No. Instead of 11, you can use minus 2 also. It will become minus 2 whole power. So in the power it should be 12 because 11, 13 minus 1, which is 12, which is equal to Euler total number of 13. Okay, 12. We are going to find 199 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. So remaining 7 will come here. 79. I know 12 6 are 72. So difference between these two is 7 will become 7 will divide by 13 to find my remainder. So from this, if I take 1 minus 2 outside, it will become minus 2 power 6. So which is equal to minus 2 into minus 1 power 6 into 2 power 6, which is equal to, so 1 power 6, if it is even power, it's going to be always plus 1, right? So it eventually became minus 2 into 2 power 6. So I have to find the divisor for this by dividing minus 2 into 2 power 16 by 13 to find my remainder. I know uh, again perform, since it is 2 power, sorry, it is 6, right? This 2 power 6. So 2 power 6 is nothing but 32. So minus 2 into 32 by 30 to find my remainder. So 32 by uh, 32 by 13. What is my remainder? The highest multiple of 13, which is less than 32, is 26. So 32 minus 26 is 6. So I can replace this 32 in terms of its remainder. So eventually it will become minus 2 into 6, which is equal to minus 12. Minus 12 by 13. My remainder is going to be what? It's going to be again minus 2 or plus 1, because minus 2 is less than 13, it can be directly my remainder. Since it is my negative remainder, now to find my positive remainder, I just need to add minus 12 with 13, so which is plus 1 will be my answer. So 1 is my remainder. Okay, hope you understand this question also. Let's move to next question. Again, same remainder, we have to find the remainder when 39 power 150 is divided by 17. So it's going to be so since 39 and 17 are co-prime, I can directly apply Euler number theorem. So 39 by 17, and then 150 by, what is the Euler number theorem? So Euler torsion number for 17 is 16. So I have to find the remainder. 39 by 17. My remainder, the highest multiple of 17, which is less than 39, is 34. 39 minus 34 is nothing but 5. So eventually my remainder is 5. And then 150 by 16. What will be my remainder? So 150. 6 twos are 12. Again 3. This 0 will come. Sorry, it is 16, right? The highest multiple of 16, which is less than 150, is 16 nines are 144, which means 144 is the highest multiple of 16, which is less than 150. So 150 minus 144 is 6. So my remainder is 6. Eventually this number will become 5 power 6 whole by 70. I can write this further. I can convert this as 5 power 6 as 5 square into 5 square into 5 square to make my calculation easier. Since it is 17, so 5 square is 25, it will become 25 into 25 into 25 by 17. So why I'm splitting this? Because I don't know the value of 5 power 6. First thing. Second thing is finding the remainder by dividing 5 power 6 by 17 is difficult, and it is easy if I convert this into like 5 square into 5 square into 5 square, or 5 cube into 5 cube into 5 cube, because I know the value for these values. And then if it is in multiplication, instead of this bigger number, I can replace by their reminders. That's the two important thing. So if I divide 25 by 17, what will be my remainder? The highest multiple of 17, which is less than 25, is 17. So 25 minus 17 is equal to 8. So my remainder is 8. Eventually it will become 8 into 8 into 8, which is equal to 512 by 17. I have to find my remainder. So 512 by 17. 73 is or 51. So the 2 will come here, it will become 2. 2 is less than 17, which means my remainder is 2. So remainder is 2. That's my answer. I hope you understand this question also. So with this, we will stop the video. Uh, in this particular video, what we discuss only one types of question based on Euler number, and every question the divisor is based on prime number. So next video we are going to discuss about what if it is a composite number and how to solve the questions, and we are going to discuss based on that. Thank you.